Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can craft items on Grow a Garden. So it's next to the gear section. So there is two places you can like craft. Here's like you can craft, I guess, like recipes for instance lingonberry if you don't have it. I actually don't have this, so I might craft it. You can cancel it as well. You do need to collect these first before making it. So I need 3 blueberries and 1 horse hill, which I don't have. So, and then this one too, if you want a tropical mist sprinkler, you'll need 1 coconut, 1 dragon fruit, 1 mango, and 1 godly sprinkler. So yeah, that's how you can craft items and grow a garden. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.